Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are baking something a little bit tangy, a little bit sweet, and super special, a rhubarb pie. But wait, did you know rhubarb isn't actually a fruit? It's a vegetable. Crazy, right? Yet it's been a favorite in desserts for centuries, especially in a classic pies like this. Rhubarb is packed with antioxidants and vitamin K, which helps keep your bones strong. It's also a natural source of fiber, so it's delicious and does your body good. Just look at that bright pink color. It's not just pretty. That hue comes from anthocyanins, the same compounds found in berries, which may help reduce inflammation. As I mix the pastry crumbs, here's a fun fact. Rhubarb was once so valuable in ancient China, it was traded like gold. Now we just pick it fresh and turn it into this irresistible dessert. Once it's in the oven, your kitchen will smell like pure magic. Sweet, tart, buttery magic. And when you take that first bite, trust me, you will understand why rhubarb pie is a timeless classic. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more sweet moments from my kitchen.